We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a 2024 spec Audi RSQ8 protected with i96 Connect. So how it works, if a thief copied your key and done a relay attack and went to steal the vehicle, so they've got your key, or they've copied it in whatever way, they select a gear, the vehicle's going to cut out so they can't drive it away. As you see, the revs have dropped, the vehicle's died. If you're not around, you're also going to get a phone call, so you'll know if they're in the vehicle messing around. So in a second, you'll see the phone's ringing, letting us know someone's in our vehicle, they've attempted to steal it, so we can go and see what's going on. Obviously, if it's a customer, they don't want that call, so they'll start the car. They can choose from a code 1, 2, 3, like we have for this video. Disarm tone, select their gear and drive away. Or if they don't want to do that, they can just turn the Bluetooth on their connected phone. Just turn the Bluetooth on. Now we'll start the vehicle. No need for that code. We hear a disarm tone, we can select our gear, the vehicle remains running, and we don't get a phone call. Customer can set their own code on this between 3 and 21 presses in any order. This is the i96 Connect, and once again, if the phone's not here, someone steals your key, they pop it in gear, the vehicle cuts out, so they're unable to drive it away. And also your phone's going to ring to let you know someone's in the vehicle if you don't hear this start up. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.